Hello and welcome to another content on building resilience in children. In this video, we are going to look into tips, 8 easy tips for better mind. Number 1, practicing mindfulness often helps. Mindfulness is the practice of being fully present and aware of your thoughts, feelings, and surroundings. You can practice mindfulness through meditation, deep breathing exercises, or simply taking a few moments to focus on your breath. This is really useful, and as you practice it, you really feel the difference within yourself. Secondly, getting enough sleep. Getting enough sleep is essential for both physical and mental health. Now, the general rule is if you aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night and establish a regular sleep schedule, that can help you to function better next day. Eating a balanced diet. Again, eating a diet which is rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can help improve your mood and energy levels. Avoid processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive amounts of caffeine and alcohol. Again, they're not very good for your mental health. You're not going to feel very good, although at the time when you're consuming them, you feel uplifted. But that's not going to stay long, and your energy levels are going to go down very sooner, but also you're going to have some sort of fatigue next day. So please do stick to your balanced diet. Stay hydrated. Now, drinking water is really essential for maintaining good health, whether that be physical health or mental health. And ideally, you should aim for at least 8 glasses of water per day and limit your intake of sugary drinks. So when we are saying 8 glasses of water, sometimes people say that tea and coffee does count towards it. But what you're really trying to look here is not to get dehydrated, but actually keeping hydrated, which means that you're going to use less caffeine. So if you're having a decaffeinated drink or some infusions, or even if you're going for some sort of juice, that's also fine. Practicing gratitude. So take a few minutes each day to reflect on the things you are grateful for. Now, this brings in some positive energy within yourself. This can also help you cultivate a more positive outlook and improve your overall well-being. Spend some nice time in nature. Spending time in nature can help reduce stress and improve your mood. Take a walk in the park, go for a hike, or simply spend time in your backyard, just looking at those butterflies. There's observing the nature, observing how the daffodils are coming out on the ground, or how you can see the bluebells, and all of that actually helps you to recover from stress. Connecting with others. Again, connecting with others like your friends, family is important for maintaining a healthy mindset. Spend time with friends and family. Join a community group or club, or volunteer for a local organization. The value you add to the society actually creates a value within yourself as well, and you enjoy after you have delivered something for a social good. Engage in spiritual practices, and what I mean by that is it doesn't have to be always a religious service, but it's more about meditation, prayer, so something that will help you to keep yourself together, your mind together, and to promote a sense of peace and purpose in your life. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed the content, and if you have, please do not forget to subscribe, because that will help us to make more content. Thank you very much, and you can find more information on our website, so please do visit that. You can also scan the QR code, which you can see now on the screen, and that will also bring up our website. You can follow us on Instagram and on Facebook. We are as Children's Stories, so please do stay in touch. Thank you.